With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this question there is a zinc given and the complex of zinc is given with its molarity 0.5 molar, right? So this is due to zinc oxide reacted with Cn minus, like zinc oxide first made Zn plus 2 and then it reacted with Cn minus to make this complex. So it is formed, right? And this is again for our reaction that will at cathode. So for this also that reaction will has taken place, right? Like Cu2 plus combined with 4NH3 and then formed this complex. So our molarity for NH3 is given 1 molar, and so what we can conclude right here from is there are few given statements, like few given data that we have is kf of Zn, k of this compound is given, and kf of this complex is also given, right? We have our E naught and we have our E naught for both the reaction of this cationic, right? So our question is the EMF of the above cell is. So let us begin, like how we can find the EMF. So starting from, let us write our reaction first. So Zn oxidized to Zn2 plus and with 2 electrons right here. Okay, now what we can say that is Zn2 plus, it got 4Cn minus, okay, and it has made a complex that is ZnCN4, and there is 2 minus right here. Okay, so this complex is formed by this process, right? As the formation of of formation constant of complex is given right here. Okay, so in the question it is given, so kf equals to we can say that we can write the equation for kf and we'll equate that. So the equation kf is equals to our product Zn Cn4 2 minus its concentration, and upon we can conclude is this will equal to 0.10 power 30 10 power 16. Okay, so from here our Zn2 plus concentration is equals to 5 into 10 to the power minus 9, right, in solution. And this reaction is taking place at anode, obviously. Let us move to our second reaction, which will be at cathode, right? So the reaction which will be at cathode, so it will be like Cu2 plus, it is combined with 4NH3, so plus 4NH3, and this will make Cu NH3, right, for 2 plus complex. Okay, so we are gonna find its kf as it is given. So by the help of that we are gonna find the concentration of Cu2 plus like we did in Zn2 plus. So we are writing its molar, its concentration, right? So doing that, it is 0.5 the concentration of this complex upon Cu2 plus and NH3 power 4, right? So its value is 1, right? So this will equals to 0.5 upon Cu2 plus, which will equals to 10 to the power 16. Therefore Cu2 plus will be equals to 5 into 10 to the power minus 13 molar, right? So we have the concentration of Cu2 plus and we have the concentration of Zn2 plus. Now as there in question that is given that E naught of Zn2 plus, so E naught Zn2 plus equals to 0.76, it is given. So to find its SRP, like reduction potential, like okay, so what we need to do is we just know that SRP is equals to SOP minus of SOP, right? So we are doing this because we have to find E naught cell. For that we need SRP2. Okay, so let us write our reaction at anode. So reaction at anode equals to Zn, again solid, it gets into Zn2 plus 2 electrons, right? And at cathode it will be equals to 2 electron plus Cu2 plus in aqueous form, right? Cu2 plus, and this will give Cu solid. Okay, so SRP for both the value, both this equation is, SRP for this is 0.76, it's minus, and SRP for our cathode is 0.34 as given in the question, right? So from these two electrode our cell formed will be, so the cell formed right here, we can say that the cell will be Zn solid plus Cu2 plus aqueous, Cu2 plus aqueous, okay, and this will form Cu solid plus Zn2 plus, right? And this is aqueous. Okay, so from here let us moving further, we have our reaction right here. So as we know, E naught cell equals to SRP cathode minus SRP anode, SRP cathode C minus SRP of anode A. Okay, so let us write the value. So SRP of cathode, this will be 0.34, and SRP of anode, which is in minus, so minus minus got plus. Okay, so this will be plus 0.76, this will be equal to 1.1 volt. So the value of E naught cell will be 1.1 volt, right? So in question we have asked the value of E cell. Okay, so the value of E cell, for that what we gonna do is we will write Nernst equation. Okay, so you can say next equation like E cell equals to, we are gonna write our value like E naught cell minus, it's 0.06 upon 2. 2 is our value of n, right, from here, and 0.06 is given in the question as a standard form of the equation like RT upon NF into 2.303. From that this value arrives, right? And from here we have our log of Q right here. Okay, so our Q is, the value for Q is, in this side we have Zn2 plus, and in this side, in reactant side, we have Cu2 plus, right? So let us write the value, the concentration that we have occurred, that we have found in previous. So the concentration for Zn2 plus will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 9 as we have found, and upon the concentration for Cu2 plus that we have found is 5 into 10 to the power minus 13, right? So from here these two got cancelled out, and we have left with log power 4, log 10 to the power 4. So the, let's putting the value of E cell will be 1.1 volt minus, and this will be 0.03. okay, and the value for this is log 10 to the power 4. This 4 will jump right here, and this log will be equals to 1. Okay, so from here what we can conclude is the value for this is equal to, if you can calculate this, the value for E cell, this will be equals to 0.98 volt, right? So let's match it with our answer. So it is available in option C, so our correct answer is option C.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.